If you don't like this color, if you don't like natural, they got other colors. So keep an eye out for when it restocks. You need to get her. It sells out for a reason. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Y'all, I'm excited because right now we're starting up a new series and this is called Wigs I Would Buy Twice. Yes. If you've been following me, I tell you guys that I don't really like to repurchase wigs. You know, there's so many wigs that come out. I just like to try new stuff. I'm just a junkie. I like to try all the new stuff. But I realized recently, especially with some sales on certain websites, there are wigs that I'm going back and I'm repurchasing and I'm buying again and I'm keeping in my rotation. And that's what this little series is about. So this is, I guess, like the first episode in this little series. And today we're going to be talking about Outre Breanne. If you know her, you know her. If you don't, you need to know her. She has been out of stock for a while, but she occasionally does restock on certain websites. And I must say that I purchased her when she first dropped, but I was sick, so I didn't really get to tell you guys how I felt about the wig. But I did wear this wig. I did wear this wig out with my family. Aren't they beautiful? They're so beautiful. And I also been just wearing this wig and I really like her. So when I saw she restocked in this color too, I was like, I need it. And I'm just going to show you guys how I put it on. I'm going to show you this color and I'll also be showing you guys this beautiful color right here. Boop, 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 boop. And show y'all kind of, you know, why I fell in love with the wig, because she's a beautiful wig. She's good for every day. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like content like this. Hit that subscribe button. I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how I install the wig, wrap it up with my final thoughts, and let's go ahead and get started.
Show me the car when you turn me on, the way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling, cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me, but I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end, wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real, cause honestly I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around, too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist, cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, no get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patient.
Alright guys, so I'm finished installing this wig and I am so excited. Aren't you guys excited about this Wig I Bought Twice series? As you see, this is exactly why she was repurchased. So this is the Outre Melted Hairline Breanne wig. I have the color number 2. I'm also going to show you guys the other color that I had that I initially bought, but let's go ahead and give some specs. So if you're not familiar with this wig came out last year and it was really popular and it was sold out. So when this wig restocks, y'all need to get this wig. It's been sold out for a very long time, but luckily I purchased this wig when it first dropped, but I was sick last year when it first dropped. I purchased this wig in this chocolate swirl color and I was in love. Look at that picture right there. Look at that picture. Aren't they a beautiful family? Yes, so I wore this wig already with my family. I've been wearing this wig. That's the wig right there. I brought it back to life, but I was like, this wig is bomb. And I didn't do a review when I first wore the wig in this color. If y'all want to see this color, stay tuned. I might show you the color a little later. So I repurchased this wig as soon as I saw it restocked, and I repurchased it in this natural color, and this natural color is giving me everything. So let me go ahead and give y'all some specs because I'm rambling. Y'all know how I get. I just start on tangents. So this is from the Melted Hairline collection. It's a very beginner friendly collection. If you're not familiar with it, you're going to get a standard lace part. You cannot part this wig any way you like it. It's only going to be this part right here. 2 inches of parting space kind of right in the middle here. So you can part it a little bit deeper, like if you want to switch up the part and make it a little bit deeper. But I mean, I don't really see the point. I think this part works how it comes. And you're going to get 5 inches going back, and you're going to get that lace frontal effect. We love the lace frontal effects. You got to fake it till you make it. So we look like we have a frontal on, but guys, this is a synthetic wig. This looks like I have a whole install in. I love the knots on this wig. It's very thin. I didn't have to go in and tweeze this wig. I didn't have to do anything except use my bed head spray and put her on my head. So I usually cut my wigs off my head nowadays because I'm getting a little older. I can't see. And when I have to reinstall my wig, the lace is already cut. So I was like, you know what? Let me get used to installing the wig with the lace cut already, and that's how I choose to install it. So I didn't show you guys kind of how I cut it, but I do like the fact that this lace is not straight across. This is the melted hairline that we fell in love with. I feel like this is the melted hairline that is on the same line of Kamaya. You get this nice like groove here on the side. If you want, you can cut it. I did also cut the wig on the sides a little bit more because there's a lot of lace on here, so you're gonna have to cut it if you need to cut it on the ear tabs. I like the fact that they give us extra lace because we can cut it versus not enough lace and you can't cut it. So you're definitely going to be able to fit all the way down. I didn't go in with any baby hairs. I just kind of did like this natural kind of pull the baby hairs down kind of look. And I also noticed that the only thing is that right here is a little more dense compared to this hairline right here. If you see, it looks a little bit more plucked, but I think that's just because of all the parting space that you're getting right here. So I think that's why they did that. But overall, I like this wig. I'm not usually a bob person, but I feel like this wig is a good everyday wig. This wig is a good work wig, good for date night. It's good for all around. It's easy. The texture, let's talk about the texture. Everybody's falling in love with this wig because this texture is flowing. You're gonna get a nice yak on here. This is a nice yacky, and it's not too yacky where it's too thick, but it's a nice yak on here, and I really do like the texture on here. I'm actually glad that I got this number 2 because when I first got this chocolate swirl color, I noticed that this one is a little slightly more silkier, like more like on the roots and, you know, going down, but it's not too bad. It doesn't seem like it's totally different, but this one is definitely a little bit more thicker, but it's not a drastic change going from the number 2 to a color, so that's good. I do like the bumped ends on here. I didn't have to go ahead and curl this or do anything. You're gonna get kind of a lob situation. I'm looking at the wig right now. I'm not sure if I'll probably put her on a little lopsided. I probably should put her a little bit more like that. So the wig's supposed to look like that, okay?
She's crooked.
But she's cute, y'all. She's good for every day, and I like this wig. I see why everybody was in love with it. Actually, I already knew because I had this wig for a whole year. You're gonna get also kind of an inverted bob situation. So you're not going to get a straight bob. It's kind of more a little long lob situation. And lastly, this wig is exactly just like Outre Breanne Bob 12. I did review that one. Check it out right here. That's the middle part, and this is a side part. So I feel like this is just the side part version of it. That's just how I feel, but y'all drop some comments down below, and if you purchased both of those wigs, let me know how do you compare them. But I love that Breanne Bob. I was slaying that Breanne Bob. So I'm happy that they came out with a side part for all the side part people. I did have to go in with a little bit of serum. I feel like the texture is a little dry. I don't feel like you need wig spray, but I did have to go in with a little bit of serum. But I think because of this yak texture, you definitely do have to go in with a little bit of light serum. And this Garnier serum is really light, so I like that. If y'all do like my lippy by now, I probably do have a video of the Juvia's Place Red Lippies, and this one is Cherry Love. It's a gloss, and I never really used to mess with glosses and red, but this is a nice gloss, so definitely get on that. Let's go ahead and jump into the other color. All right, and this is the DR2 Chocolate Swirl. So this is the original one that I told you guys I bought that made me want to get the color number 2. And she's still flowing, y'all. She's still beautiful. So I did purchase this wig back in like the summertime, and I have shampooed this wig, I want to say 3 times. So by now I think I have a video uploaded of how I kind of shampoo, I condition, I maintain the synthetic wig, how we still flow, how we still got all this boom, 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 okay? You're gonna want to see how you maintain these synthetic wigs. And this one is hitting just as well as the black, but this is a great wig, y'all. This is a wig that I absolutely will continue to buy because I just love it, man. Like the hairline, I didn't pluck anything. On the number 2, it was a little bit more dense right here with the hairline, but this one is not. It's plucked pretty good. And I didn't go in with any baby hairs. Like, I just feel like you apply this wig and go. I did apply this one a little bit differently. I put a wig grip on and just put the bed head kind of right here. So on the sides, the flaps are like up, but I should have just went ahead and laid her all the way down. But I like to melt my wigs because I like the way they look. But this wig is so easy that I really think you can get away with putting a wig grip on, melting right here, and going out the house. Like, that's it. The texture on this one is a little bit lighter, but it's still yucky, so I do like that. I was thinking that it was a little bit more silkier, but it's not. It's that nice like light yucky yak that we like, but it's not too dense. It's not as dense as the Outre Isabella wig that I reviewed. It's a nice in-between yak. It's kind of giving me Annie Bob 12, and that's pretty much it. Y'all let me know if you purchased this wig and what texture you think she is, but I mean, she's flowing, y'all. She's a nice yaki. She's gonna last. Watch my video right here of how to maintain your wig. She gonna last you for a while, okay? And if you want to bump the ends, use some hot rollers. I think this wig is beautiful. I did come back with a different lippy. Y'all, I'm working on this video right now. So this one is the Juvia's Place Red Velvet, and look at this lip. Look at this lip. Come on now. Come on. This lip is nice. The first one was a gloss, and this one is a matte lippy. So y'all stay tuned for that video, because that video I do have 6 red lippies for you guys, and I think you're gonna enjoy it. Let me know if you're more natural or if you like colors. This one does come in other colors, ginger brown. It comes in, that cinnamon mocha is really pretty, y'all. Red cherry, strawberry gold. It comes in a lot of nice other pretty colors. So, you know, if you don't like this color, if you don't like natural, they got other colors. So keep an eye out for when it restocks. You need to get her. It sells out for a reason. I do wish Outre would get a little bit better with not just Outre, all of them. Like, they sell out and then it's out of stock forever. So I wish they would get a little bit better with restocking. But watch those websites, y'all. They sell out real quick, and they sell out quick for a reason, because they last. And I love the fact that it's only $35. Like, $35. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.